If you are looking to indulge yourself and your baby with a luxury stroller that not only maneuvers like a dream but also turns heads everywhere you go, luxury strollers are the answer. They offer an impressive blend of style, comfort, versatility, and quality. Naturally, you want a stroller that reflects your taste and fits your budget. This can be quite a challenge, as only a select few luxury strollers meet the high standards of discerning parents like you. While some of the most visually stunning strollers can sometimes underperform compared to their moderately priced counterparts, many of them truly stand out. For a dependable and exceptional experience, look at renowned brands like Bumbleride, Britax, Bugaboo, Babyson, UPPAbaby, and Baby Jogger. These names are synonymous with quality, ensuring you get a product that lives up to your expectations. Indulge in the luxury you and your baby deserve, and make a statement every time you step out. Choose wisely, and let your stroller be a testament to your impeccable taste and thoughtful parenting. We have curated the best strollers to achieve exactly that. Here are top picks. All product links are provided in the description. Let's begin. Number 5. Inglesina Electa Stroller. The Inglesina Electa stroller, introduced by the Italian brand Inglesina with over 60 years of excellence in high-quality, versatile, and luxurious baby gear. The Electa stroller stands out with its remarkable versatility, supporting a bassinet attachment, several infant car seats, and a toddler seat that can be positioned both front and rear-facing. Weighing only 19 pounds, the Electa folds down to a compact size of 11.8 inches by 19.7 inches by 28.9 inches. This stroller can accommodate children up to 55 pounds, featuring a plush and well-proportioned toddler seat that measures approximately 17 inches in height and 12 inches in width. It exemplifies luxury with its high-quality fabrics, leatherette handlebar, sleek brushed aluminum frame, all-wheel suspension, and ease of use. The posh seating and materials make it a premium choice for discerning parents. The Electa excels in ease of use. Assembly is straightforward, taking about 15 minutes to attach the wheels, storage basket, and either the bassinet or toddler seat. The bassinet, designed for comfort and safety, offers a flat and firm surface conducive to safe sleep. The toddler seat boasts adjustable recline, a large extendable canopy, a padded 5-point harness, and the option to face forward or backward. Additionally, the storage basket is spacious, and the handlebar adjusts to 4 different positions, enhancing convenience. Maneuverability is a highlight of the Electa, with its low rolling resistance and effortless turning. The stroller fits through small spaces without compromising seating comfort. Despite its tall appearance, the Electa has a low center of gravity, ensuring stability on uneven terrain. The folding mechanism is intuitive and truly one-handed. However, the Electa has a few limitations. It can accommodate only one child at a time, either an infant car seat, bassinet, or toddler seat. Additionally, while its lightweight design is advantageous for portability, it slightly compromises sturdiness. Heavier-duty components could enhance its solidity over bumps. Overall, the Inglesina Electa offers luxury features, quality components, and versatility at a competitive price, making it a compelling choice for parents seeking a stylish and functional stroller. Number 4. UPPAbaby Vista V2 Stroller. No list of luxury strollers would be complete without the UPPAbaby Vista. The Vista is definitely one of the most popular high-end strollers, and has quickly become a status symbol among discerning parents. The UPPAbaby Vista V2 stroller stands as one of the most sought-after luxury strollers, celebrated for its versatility and premium features. Included with both a toddler seat and bassinet, the Vista is priced around $1,000, making it more affordable than other high-end options without compromising quality or style. Suitable from birth, the Vista features an exceptionally spacious bassinet with one of the largest extendable canopies available. It seamlessly transitions to accommodate the UPPAbaby Mesa car seat without additional adapters, offering a convenient travel system. Once your child is ready, typically around 3 months old, the toddler seat becomes the preferred choice, featuring reversible facing direction, a 5-position recline, and a generously sized extendable canopy with UPF 50 sun protection. The newly updated toddler seat is longer overall to comfortably accommodate taller toddlers. The Vista is a joy to handle. It boasts an adjustable handlebar, a hassle-free 5-point harness adjustment system, all-wheel suspension with soft tires for a smooth ride, and locking front wheels. Folding the Vista is intuitive and can be done with one hand, and it stands independently when folded, provided the handlebar is adjusted to the highest position. The storage basket is impressively large and includes an additional pocket for essentials. One of the Vista's standout features is its versatility, with over a dozen configurations available. It can be effortlessly converted into a double stroller when needed, accommodating 2 toddler seats, 2 bassinets, 2 infant car seats, or various combinations thereof. Overall, the UPA Baby Vista V2 is a top choice for parents seeking a luxurious and functional stroller. Its combination of quality craftsmanship, premium materials, ease of use, and adaptability make it an excellent investment for growing families. Number 3. Bumble Ride Indie Baby Stroller. The Bumble Ride Indie Baby Stroller is a sleek and modern 3-wheel luxury stroller designed to turn heads with its soft lines, mixed aluminum materials, and high-quality fabrics. Known for its reliability and durability, the Bumble Ride series offers excellent craftsmanship and features. The Bumble Ride Indie to be one of the smoothest strollers on the market. Maneuvering through turns and curbs was effortless, thanks to its lightweight frame weighing only 22 pounds. The fabric is exceptionally soft and high quality, made from eco-friendly recycled materials. The stroller supports infants from 3 months up to 55 pounds, providing deep recline positions suitable for both infants and toddlers. The seat can recline nearly flat for infants and nearly upright for toddlers, making it versatile and cozy. The large extendable canopy provides ample coverage, shielding your baby from the elements. For jogging enthusiasts, the Indie features a lockout front wheel and includes a jogging wrist strap. It also boasts an adjustable handlebar height, ensuring comfort for parents of all heights. Folding the Bumble Ride Indie is straightforward and intuitive, collapsing to a compact size of 32 by 24.5 by 11.5 inches. The storage basket, though accessed only from the rear, is reasonably sized and convenient. Bumble Ride offers a generous 3-year warranty, a testament to the stroller's durability and quality. While the Bumble Ride Indie excels in many areas, there are a few considerations. The deep seat and large canopy may make it challenging to pull your baby out, particularly for taller babies. Additionally, there are no cup holders included for babies or parents, which is common among luxury strollers. Overall, the Bumble Ride Indie is an excellent luxury stroller suitable for year-round use with both infants and older children. Its combination of high-quality materials, ease of use, and stylish design make it a compelling choice for discerning parents. Number 2. Bugaboo Donkey 5 Stroller. What sets the Bugaboo Donkey 5 stroller apart is its remarkable versatility with 3 modes: mono, duo, and twin. The Donkey Mono supports 1 child in the bassinet or toddler seat, while the Donkey Duo accommodates 1 infant in the bassinet and 1 toddler in the toddler seat, or 2 toddlers. The Donkey Twin can support 2 infants or 2 toddlers. This flexibility allows you to start with a single child stroller and expand as your family grows, using the same frame throughout. The Bugaboo Donkey 5 introduces several improvements over the Donkey 3, including a higher seating position, ventilated bassinet mesh panels, an easier-to-use harness buckle, and more accessory options. The self-standing fold, 2 spacious storage baskets with high weight capacity, large puncture-proof tire, and a large sun canopy with a peekaboo window are among its standout features. It also includes rear wheel locks, front wheel steering locks, a padded and adjustable height handlebar, and suspension for rough terrain. In mono mode, the stroller weighs 27 pounds and is 24 inches wide, while in duo or twin mode, it weighs 33 pounds and is 29 inches wide. The bassinet is suitable until about 4-6 months old, depending on neck and head control, and each toddler seat can be used from 6 months onward, supporting up to 48.5 pounds. The Donkey 5 is easy to maneuver, smooth over bumps, comfortable for both parents and children, and incredibly versatile. The toddler seat can be positioned front or rear facing, and the extendable canopy provides excellent coverage. The stroller's turning radius is impressively tight, the harness is simple to use, and the bumper bar is easy to remove and swivel. The 3-position seat recline, including a lay-flat option and the straightforward folding process, are highly convenient. The top luggage compartment in mono mode is particularly useful for shopping and storing a diaper bag, cleverly utilizing the side-by-side space. While the Donkey 5 is somewhat large and heavy, even when folded, it remains smaller than most other single to double strollers. It does require some assembly, and the side-by-side duo mode configuration can be too wide for narrow interior doorways. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Bugaboo Donkey 5 is practically perfect in every way, making it highly recommended. Number 1. Bugaboo Fox 3 Stroller and Bassinet. The Bugaboo Fox 3 Stroller and Bassinet is a pinnacle of luxury, style, and versatility. Designed to accommodate newborns through toddlers, it supports up to 50 pounds with its toddler seat while weighing only 21 pounds itself. The stroller features an innovative folding mechanism that offers both a self-standing fold and an ultra-compact fold, making it highly portable. Both the bassinet and toddler seat are positioned at a comfortable height, ensuring excellent visibility for toddlers and ease of access for parents. The toddler seat is reversible for front or rear-facing positions and can be detached to use as a portable seat, which is convenient for travel. While transitioning between the bassinet and toddler seat requires some effort due to the shared frame, it's a minor inconvenience compared to the overall usability and functionality of the stroller. The stroller is compatible with the Bugaboo Turtle infant car seat out of the box, with adapters available for other popular car seat brands. The Bugaboo Fox 3 lacks a cup holder or parent storage, which may be considered minor drawbacks for a stroller in this price range. However, its exceptional ease of pushing and maneuverability, along with its innovative design and build quality, make it stand out as one of the best luxury strollers available. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you found this video useful.